welcome to Tammy and Tiaras. How are you all? Well, as you can see, I'm outside in nature. Today was the first day that I got dressed and I received a beautiful, beautiful Blumex package from my sister in England, Ahiranta, and her husband, Jose. Now, this is what I wanted to say. Sometimes you don't have to be blood to be family. You connect with somebody and you just know that they are extra special. And that's how it is with Ahiranta and I. Her real name's Bianca, but I call her Ahiranta. They run the Happy Life Show on tour and the Happy Life Show and a gadget one as well, so they're very creative. She sent me the most beautiful Blumex flower. Oh my goodness! Oh, that! It's a whole... Oh, Ahiranta. Oh, Jose. Oh. In it was this little teddy. Now, isn't he sweet? And he's got the Blumex tag on him. Now, I've been looking for a mascot to come with me when we're outside filming, and I've got him. So, hi everybody to Bobby. I'm still a bit squashed, but that will come all good once Mummy's had a fiddle with me. So that's all good. So yes, so we're out at the Bunningyong Gardens. We haven't been here for a while. I've been playing with Lucy for about 20-25 minutes. And Jose and Ahiranta inspire us every day because she has serious health conditions and she gets out and enjoys life. And after my fall, which is a serious health condition, I've really tried hard to get up and about, but I couldn't manage to get dressed yesterday. But yesterday I did the bike. So that was so exciting for me to do that. And I felt better for doing that. There's something about moving, isn't it? Exercise is so important. So I'm sitting underneath a beautiful big tree here where Bert has propped me up. And it's just gorgeous. And the leaves are falling and Bert's taken Lucy for a walk. So he's just doing that at the moment. And yes, and he's just walking around trying to exhaust her. Anyway, as you can see, I'm on the road to recovery. Can't wear my tiaras at the moment because my head is way too sore for tiaras. The bump seems to be right where the edge of the tiara sits. So it's Tammy in hats at the moment. But how are all you guys? Enough about me. I like to know how my friends and family are going out there. Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. It helps me on YouTube to grow. I notice, it's just something that I like to do to shine a better light on mental health. Excuse me if I'm a bit slow. So that's what we have to do, don't we, when we have anxiety and we have a depression. Oh, listen to the cockatoos. What is it about nature? Nature is the best healer. So I'm feeling pretty exhausted now because it's been a bit of a morning, and I hope you enjoy the video. There's not much, it's another short one. Special hi to Julie and Judith, and of course Lisa, and Anna Marie. My girlfriend at the moment has gone touring, so she's going to have a lovely time while she's heading up towards Sydney for rugby grand final, I think it is. Yes, so anyway, hope you like the photos. Always remember to enjoy nature. darlings, I hope that you have a wonderful week wherever you are in the world. Stay healthy, listen to your bodies. It's the most important thing to know your own limitations and to listen to them. And I'm sending all my love until next time. Bye for now. Hello darlings, welcome to Tammy and Tiara's. Bert, just stay there. I can't do anything because of the rubbish truck. Just wait a minute because you're in the back of it. Joys of live filming.